76th Republic Day. January 26th holds significant importance in Indian history as Republic Day. It marks the day in 1950 when the Constitution of India came into effect, transforming India into a sovereign, democratic, and republic nation. January 26th was chosen as Purna Swaraj Day, Complete Independence Day, in 1930 by the Indian National Congress in Lahore. It was a symbolic declaration against British rule, asserting India's demand for complete independence. After gaining independence on August 15, 1947, India required a legal framework to govern the nation. A Constituent Assembly was formed, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar chaired the drafting committee. The Constitution was finalized on November 26, 1949, but it was formally adopted on January 26, 1950, to honor the historic 1930 declaration. It signifies India's transition to a republic with its own laws and governance, independent of British influence. The President of India became the constitutional head, replacing the British monarch as the nominal head of state. Republic Day celebrates India as a unified, democratic nation where citizens have equal rights and participate in governance. The day showcases India's diversity and culture through grand parades, including military displays and traditional art forms. The day reminds citizens of the sacrifices made during the freedom struggle and the need to uphold the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in the Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching.